Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC spokesperson Hareshwar Goshwami launched a scathing attack on ex-Chief Minister Biren, questioning his repeated remarks blaming previous governments. He questioned which past government Biren was referring to, considering the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has been in power in Manipur for 2 consecutive terms. Addressing the media at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Goshwami criticized BJP government's failure to rectify what it terms as the mistakes of past governments, arguing that such inability reflects its administrative incompetence. He stated that if BJP failed to correct earlier errors during its rule, it cannot be considered a capable administration should it return to power. Reacting to Biren'S recent statement about the possible formation of a popular government soon, Goshwami said such claims lack credibility. He called for a fresh public mandate, asserting that BJP returning to power would be unwise. He further questioned the ex-chief minister's resignation, asking why Biren stepped down from the post if he believed peace had been restored in parts of the state. He reiterated that true peace cannot be claimed simply because gunfire has ceased. Goshwami also alleged that the central government is attempting to suppress insurgency issue in Manipur by leveraging illegal immigrants to advance its interest, particularly the Kaladan project. Referring to the current leadership, he remarked that the state appears to be governed by 2 mentally ill persons. Goshwami accused Union Home Minister Amit Shah of misleading the public by promising punishment for violations of suspension of Operation Sioux ground rules despite the absence of any submitted inquiry report. He also criticized repeated claims that normalcy would return within 15 days. The Congress leader dismissed BJP's recently published The Emergency Diaries, claiming it falsely documented Prime Minister Narendra Modi's actions during national crisis. He questioned Prime Minister's silence during democratic protest and contrasted it with the examples set by leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, who never hid during times of turmoil. He called the book 100 out of 100 wrong.
Any cookie tribe, any Lushai tribe, I say, I agree with you. I don't talk to I say, but Sunjata, doing the hygiene. The other words, academic point and Mayam Levaki, Congress, BJP, Aduda, Chida, Sanoga, Congress not Solomon, I do not Solomon, and little the way to the India identity, history, historical Pumba, other history of Marinava. I tell you, Kandana, Nenadana, Panga, Haiwa, Blem Tova, political mileage from Noto, not one BJP, Baiba, Wanamo, selected narratives, symbolic gestures, and the 100 number, illegal migrant, open a politicalized Torah, anti-popu mata, national security mata, Mayam, politicalized Torah, India, do you know? Makoy ng ulit tawong handa na sakar paita bagi ngaw na pagin tinba so romba yawra so mo jui mo ta pada si wali masinse kamando na job to bodage have to the mai ondalan ni ko pamit tam ai tenden thank you